Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk and I'm reaching out to my CIS 101 students. Well, people, we are at the end. We got one more week and it is over. So I wanted to reach out to you guys in this week here, week 7, and pretty much say, first and foremost, kudos to you. You made it to the end. Excellent work. You did a good job. And you had minimum to no problems whatsoever. So that's great. You had a good summer. You got in here, you dug in, and you actually completed the work. Now, this week's discussion activity will be this video log. And the reason it will be this video log is because I want to reach out to you guys and get your opinions and ideas and knowledge on the particular class that you just have almost completed, this class. So it's going to be a link inside of the discussion question, and it's basically going to ask you quite a few questions about the class. We want to see what you think. What can we do to make this class better? Maybe you're going to say, hey, Professor, it was great, it was magnificent, it was outstanding. Maybe. Or maybe you just going to give me some other comments. But the point is, I just want to know what you think. Now, after you fill that link out, or before you fill that link out, I want you to make a comment on what was the one or two things in this class that really opened your eyes to technology. Since you had a chance to look at all of the things that's going on in the world about technology, and not really all of them because I didn't give you a lot, but I gave you a snapshot of what's happening around the world. And I want to know, what do you think? What was something in here that made you say, wow, that's what's going on? You pretty much gonna give me your opinion, and then you will comment on your fellow students and what they thought about it. So this is the opportunity where everybody get in there and say, hey, it was this, and that really helped, or this, and that was really eye-opening. So once you complete that in the discussion activity, you just, as you can see right here, you got assessment chapter 1, and then you got chapter 12 where you just do work homework, okay? Now, next week, final exam. The final exam will be the same way you took your midterm. No difference. The actually same activity. But it's Excel. It's not Word. So don't get those two mixed up. Excel is rough. I will be opening up Excel for those who want to practice tonight. Open it up again. But practice, and get ready for Excel. Now remember, I said it is exactly the same setup, no different. You're gonna download the documents to your desktop, you're gonna do the work, and you're gonna upload the documents back into the Excel portal so you can get a grade. And if you're not for sure of what you did on the midterm, which would be virtually possible, but if you're not for sure, just go back to that link, review it again, but this time, remember, you will be doing Excel. So, I'm going to keep this video log pretty short because I know that you guys are really aching to get this class over with. No, I'm not. I don't know. I'm just joking. But I want you to understand that we are almost at the end, and hey, with that being said, you should be able to do this last 2 projects easy and get them out the way. Remember, in the discussion there will be a link and you're gonna make a comment, basically just what was something that was outstanding or something that woke you up to what we in the tech industry are doing. What I'm trying to do is give a human element to what's happening in the tech field. A lot of people just see us go through our day-to-day work, and they on Facebook, they on YouTube, they on all these different devices that just recently been created. And I want you guys to be able to look and say, wow, this is what people in other countries are doing. This is what's happening around the world, so you can be better prepared. My ultimate goal is to get American students to the point where they understand that you competing with the world. You're not competing with your neighbor or the person down the street or somebody in the next city. You are literally competing with the world. You have to be prepared for that. Now, if some of you don't like the music I play, hey, that's just me putting a soft tone on things. So you're gonna hear some music in this video too. Just bear with it. It's okay. I like music. I know you do too. Now, with that being said, I think that's everything I wanted to talk to you about. We in week 7. After this week, we'll be going to week 8, and that will end the class. Oh, no, Professor, when will we take the final exam? Well, this is what I wanted to do when it comes to the final exam. Because I do not know your schedules, and you notice I'm sending you this video log, and I'm sending you this video log so we would not have to have another Zoom meeting. So you're going to see those portals for Zoom disappear. It was supposed to be 3 Zoom meetings, but I always stretch it just in case. But you guys was pointed spot on. You was on top of everything. So I don't think we need another meeting. And then some of you are actually out there working, and I don't want to pull you away from work just to tell you these instructions when I could have put it in a video log. So with that being said, the very day that we will have the final exam will be on the 27th. It will be open from 12 a.m. in the morning to 11:59 at night p.m. So that's on the 27th. Okay, now do the math, people. You have to get ready for that day. So you will have approximately 6 days to actually get ready. Now, of course, you're already ready. It's not hard. It's really easy. Well, Excel is not easy. I'm not going to lie to you. Excel is not easy. But you should be able to handle doing that Excel assignment. Excuse me for that. Blah, blah, blah. Let me get a drink of water. You should be able to handle that. Now, remember, take your time. Go back and review the video that I sent out, the link on how to take the midterm exam, because it'll be the same way for the final exam, just to refresh yourself. And then go in there and just kick Excel butt. Don't play games with it. Dig in. So with that being said, this is Professor Sistrom. If you need to reach out for more information about what you have to do, the first thing I want you to do is think, what did I do for my midterm exam? Second, did I review the video on the midterm exam? And third, I'm still confused, let me call the professor. Okay? But know this, that the test will be on the 27th. Now, I know some students will say, Professor, what day is the 27th? That will be that Monday. I'm sorry, guys. I just gotta have fun. Oh, you see me pulling it up. That will be that Monday, okay? So we will be done. It'll be over with. And for those of you who may not like my music, please excuse my music, but I like putting music in. Once again, this is Professor Sistrom, and I'm closing out this section. If you need to talk to me, you know how to reach out to me. You actually been doing a very good job in that. So if you need to reach out. This is Professor Sistrom closing out. Sayonara.